Good morning, dear students, and welcome to you all in today's class. I hope you all are doing better day by day, and whatever the homeworks had been provided to you all by the online classes, you all are doing and showing your yes to subjective teachers. Today, one day more, I will take the class on the topic of probability and problems related to the probability tree diagram we will discuss here. So let us start with one question which is written on the board with a solution related to the tree diagram. Here if you see, the two cards are drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that both cards are king. First card replaced here, first card replaced, it means replacement is doing there. Yes, when one card is drawn from the pack of 52 cards, playing cards, then after while drawing the second card, before that first card is replaced there. Replaced, it means you all understood. Yes, I think that not, yes, total possible outcomes not changed. Yes, it means now by showing in a tree diagram we have to find the probability that both cards are king card. So let you suppose, yes, P of k and P of k bar, yes, it means what, complement, yes, we know denotes the probability of king and not king. You can suppose A B also, as you wish. Probability of king, then P of A, or probability of not getting king. Yes, here you have to make one mind makeup that by the help of tree diagram we have to find the probability of getting both king. Then it means we have to draw here a tree diagram by which two term, one king, another not king. It means यहाँनिर किङ दुईटा सोधेछ भने तपाईले के गर्न पर्यो, एउटा किङ लिन पर्यो र बाकी सबै नट किङ मानेर. In this way you have to draw the tree diagram. Clear? If queen, both queen acts, then you have to, yes, suppose that 4 card of queen and remaining other not queen. Queen पर्न सक्छ or not queen. Yes, so here king, so you suppose one king and another not a king. In this way you go. Then here 4 cards are king, so 4k I am writing here, and 48 remaining. 4 वटा किङ लेखिसकेपछि बाँकी कति बच्यो त, 48. Yes, so 48 card are not a king. So probability of king, if you write here, you can write here also. On the less here I am writing here. P1k. Yes, first, in first attempt, first of all when we draw the card from the well shuffled deck of 52 cards, then probability of getting king card 4 by 52, and probability of getting not king then 4 by 52, not king, then how many card remaining? Yes, when you minus the yes card, king card, then 48 card, yes, which are not a king. So probability of getting, yes, out of the king not king, yes, then 48 by 52. I am here circle drawing. If replacement is there here, so not decreases. So if you write here same, yes, 4 king and 40 not change. Yes, but without replacement if there, yes, without replacement भनिदिएको भए त यहाँ के हुन्थ्यो, king will be 3 king. Yes, then you draw the yes tree diagram, but here first card is replaced, so no need to yes write here. नलेखे पनि भयो, यही हेरेर सेम यु क्यान राइट. ओके, सो आई एम yes blank here doing. Okay, if you write then same cards are repeated again because here replaced, first card replaced. Okay, so not change here. Here if you write 4 king and 48, yes, not king card. Yes, it means now second, if you drawn the second card, then probability of king again 4 by 52 because number of card not there. Yes, change. Yes, because this is of replaced type. So probability of not getting king, yes, 48 upon total, yes, outcomes 52, and probability of king again here, yes, in this branch if you go then also 4 by 52, and yes, not getting king then also 48 by 52. Then sample space if you find, then p k k, yes, and multiply these two, and p k bar, yes, and p not, yes, probability of not king, yes, and king, yes, and probability of not a king and not king. It means when we, yes, do it, then it means we get what? Sample space, both times king, first card king and another second one not king, yes, and if first one not king, second one may be king, or both card may not king. Yes, this 4 sample space you will get there. Then here question asked what is the probability, yes, of both king, then both king will be this. Yes, here see, here is a both king. Yes, so probability of both king, yes, both king card, yes, cards will be, you can write p of k and k equals to 1 by 69 is our answer. Okay, in this way we can find the probability tree diagram related to the card also. Okay, in previous class you are, yes, drawing the tree diagram of related to the ball, yes, ball, yes, sweets, that objects. Here now related to the card I showing one example. Let us take another one more example of tree diagram. Okay, related to the problem solving. Okay, when problem solving, that type of question I had given, yes, that finding, but not using the tree diagram, we not done yet. Now let us do by using the tree diagram. Then have you written this all? Okay, okay, one question, write the probability of solving a mathematical problem by students A and V are 2/5 and 1/4 respectively. Okay, if the problem is given to both students, okay, students by using tree diagram, find the probability that the problem will not solve. Okay, not solved. You had done in previous class, problem will be solved. Okay, here by using the tree diagram you have to find problem will not solve. Okay, clear? By using tree diagram. here, yes, what given to, in question? Probability of, yes, probability of solving the problem by student A, yes, respectively means first will be, yes, A this and B will 1 by 4. Then probability of solving by student A 2 by 5. Now in question ask the probability that the problem will not solve, then find out the probability of by students A not solving the problem. Okay, then you will get probability of S not solving by the student A. Then you, what you will do, subtract, yes, 1 minus probability of A, yes, you will do, then 1, do it 1 minus 2 by 5. If you do, then you take the LCM 5 and here nothing, denominator 1, yes, and 5 1 ja 5 and minus 2, then 3 by 5 you will get, yes, probability of student A not solving, yes, this one. And probability of, yes, solving the problem by student B is 1 by 4. Then find out the probability of not solving by the student B. Yes, again you will do 1 minus probability of what? B. Yes, then you can subtract 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 you will take the LCM, then 4 minus 1 it will be 3 by 4. Yes, 3 by 4. Clear? This one will be probability of not solving by A and not solving by B. Get? Probability of solving the problem, solving a mathematical problem by student A is 2 by 5 and probability of solving mathematical problem by student B is 1 by 4 and probability of not solving the problem by student A will be 3 by 5 and probability of not solving the problem by student B is 3 by 4. Clear? If you multiply these two, then you will get easily answer. Okay, if you multiply these two, yes, by student not solving by student A and not solving by student B, if you multiply you will get the answer. Okay, 9 by 20. तपाईले ट्री डायग्राम नबनाइकन एन्सर थाहा पाइसक्नु भयो. Yes, but in a question there is say by using tree diagram. Question मा त tree diagram is asked, so we have to draw the tree diagram. Okay, to find the probability that the problem will not solve. So let us put these all in a tree diagram. यही कुरालाई अब tree diagram we will plot. Clear? Nothing, yes, more. केही धेरै सोच्नै पर्दैन. Okay, now here if you see A, if you write, okay, A, yes, A will solve. Then if A solved, then probability of solving by A what? 2 upon 5 and solving then A by 2 by 5. Not solved, then probability A bar, yes, it will be what? 3 upon 5. Yes. Okay, tree diagram म के favorable outcomes के हुन सक्छ ल भन्नु त. A will solve, B will solve, or A not solve, B solved, or B solved, A not solve, B not solved, A solved, or both not solved. ल भन्नु. These 4 outcomes will come when you draw the tree diagram. Come or not? Either both solved, or A not solved, B can solve, B cannot solve, A solved, or both will not solve. Yes, so A solved and B solved, and then after you take the B one. Okay, now then what you will do here? See, if you draw tree diagram, yes, may I draw this? Yes, B, yes, B not solved. Now B solved and B not solved. here also B is solved and probability of B not solved, not solving by B, yes. Then tell me problem of, yes, B solved 1 by 4, yes, and B not solved then 3 by 4, B solved then 1 by 4, if not solved then 3 by 4. Now if you find the sample space, then P probability of A B solved, yes, 2 by 5 to 1 by 4 equals to 1 upon 10, yes, and probability of A solved B not solved 2 upon 5 into 3 by 4, then 2 to the 3 by 10, yes, and probability of what? A solved and B, A not solved and B solved, yes, then it will be 3 upon 5 into 1 by 4 if you do 3 by 20, yes, you can. Now tell me this probability of A is not solved, B not solved, then 3 by 5 into 3 by 4, it will be, yes, 9 by 20. Clear? So these are the what? Sample space with a tree diagram, yes, if you say this question. Clear? Understood? Yes, very easy. Yes, A solved, B, yes, A solved and A not solved, then after B you can take the B one, okay, in a both branch. If from A if you start, then while second attempt, second one what? B student, so put here B one, okay, in the both branches, then it will, you will can do by the tree diagram. Now both student problem probability of not solving here asks, so you can write here problem okay, will not solved, okay, probability of problem will not solved equals to P of A complement B complement will be what? 9 by 20 is your answer. Hey, suppose asked problem will solved, then what do you do? Problem will solve, tell me la. यहाँ त क्वेशन मा सोधेन त्यो, तर म सोधिरहेको छु probability of problem will be solved, okay, then which one you can add, which one will you take, tell me, okay. This one यो लिने and this नलिने है, गलत, यो पनि लिने हो, यो पनि लिन पर्यो, किन? प्रब्लम विल सल्भ को मतलब तपाई के बुझ्नुस्, आई हैड टोल्ड इन क्वेशन, यस, बाई ट्री डायग्राम नगरिकन यो क्वेशन म अलरेडी गराइसके थिए, त्यति बेला प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ ए एन्ड बी गिवन, then you are finding the intersection, and intersection you are subtracting, it means union you have to find, yes, it means not that this one A and B, yes, it means all this, okay, not only the both, okay, दुवैले गर्नै पर्छ भन्ने छैन नि, problem will solve means what, at least anyone you will do, then also problem will solve, either A or B, anyone if you do, then problem will solve or not, yes. So when problem will be solved asks, then you have to do what, this add, okay, 1 upon 10 also you have to add, it means, yes, it means you have to add probability of A B, yes, probability of A B not and probability of A not and B, it means you can add 1 upon 10, 3 by 10 plus 3 by 20, then what you will be do, 20 LCM, then 2, yes, here it will be 20 LCM, you will take 2 plus 6 plus 3, I think, yes, 11 by 20 solved, yes, or you can subtract 1 minus not solved, okay, you can do this also by 1 minus not solved, 9 by 20, then also you will get 11 by 20, in this way also, okay. 1 minus, अब कोही विद्यार्थीले भन्ला सर यति जोड्नमा किन गर्ने, 1 माइनस नट सल्भ गरे भने सल्भ त आइहाल्यो नि, किन यति गर्न पर्यो त क्वेसनमा यो निकाले पो 1 माइनस गर्ने हो इफ दिस अलरेडी फाइन्ड देन इफ नट फाइन्ड देन हाउ टु डु you have to understood yes what is the meaning of this yes so in this way you can अब any student can tell sir B we write here or not yes you can write if you write B here then you write B probability of B and probability of B complement then you take here A okay here A and you put here B1 1 upon 4 yes and here 3 by 4 and A now you write here A yes probability of A what tell me 2 upon 5 and A bar yes what is there yes tell me A bar 3 by 5 yes in this way then you put here A bar okay this type you do clear if you do this way also let us check whether it is different or same yes A complement 3 upon 5 if you write B first yes then you put in the second while doing attempt then A here हेर्नुस् त same or not हेर्नुस् त्यही कुरा आयो नि अघिकै त anyway you can do okay this type I think now you all clear yes now you can do the problem related to that tree diagram I think this will be enough I hope clear may I rub okay okay write down some questions the probability of a man being left-handed is 10% and is 10% okay and probability of a man wearing spectacles yes is 1 upon 9 find the probability of selecting the man with right-handed and wearing spectacles okay spectacles write it okay next one write the probability okay write these all questions okay you have to do yourself I will just only revise you okay what we learned in 1 week now today I will close this chapter from tomorrow I will start the new okay chapter the probability of his wife okay suppose wife alive is 0.4 find the probability of both will be alive okay now next one a queen of heart is lost from a deck of 52 cards okay and a card is drawn drawn at random, find the probability of getting red colored or card or club. Okay, in this way. One more, right? From a cubical dice is rolled two times, so the probabilities of all the possible outcomes of getting or not getting five in a tree diagram. Okay, from the numbered cards, numbered from 7 to 27, a card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting the card of prime number or an even number. A card of a prime number or an even number. Okay, this much questions. Okay, I written here on the board. See here 5 questions I given. Okay, now I will conclude this chapter. Okay, today अब हामी conclusion what we learn. What knowledge we get from the probability chapter, that's we have to revise here. Okay, first of all we learn the definition of the probability. Yes, probability means what? Probable means probable means to occur any events. Yes, we find the probability by any objects. If you are going to find the probability, what is the probability to be happen, to be occur, that means what is the its number favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes you learn. Probability of an event A means number of A upon number of total exhaustive events, total possible outcomes. What is there? We learn, and we learn the mutually exclusive also. Mutually exclusive means what, and mutually non-exclusive means what. Independent event means what, dependent event means what. These all things we learn here, and how to construct the tree diagram, and how to find the probability, at least, at most, both, neither, all things we learn here. And now I hope all my dear students will solve the questions which will ask from this topic. 2 questions will ask of 2 marks, 4 marks total. Okay, and here the probability of a main being left handed is 10%. It means what? 10% given, it means what? 10% out of 100, yes, it means 1 by 10, yes, probability of left handed. Now you have to find the probability of selecting the man with right hand, and given, and means you will do multiplication, or then plus you do, yes, only and given multiplication, or given then you do plus means you will check whether mutually or non-mutually. And here left handed given, now find the right handed. Right handed means complement you find, okay. Probability of right handed, 1 minus 1 by 10 you will do, then 9 by 10 you will get, and 9 by 10 and 1 by 9 you multiplied, then you will get your answer, okay. Clear? 1 by 10 answer you can find it, okay. 1 by 10 final answer. Here the probability of man alive this, and probability of his wife alive this, and both will be alive, means both, then what? Intersection, it means you do multiplication and you will get the answer as 0.24. Do it, okay. And queen of heart is lost. Queen of heart lost means what? 52 card is not there, now only 51 cards. So from that 51 card, now you check whether red card is, yes, hot card is red, so subtract 1. Now red remaining, yes, how many? 25, not 26, yes. Why? Because hot queen, hot, yes, lost, and club will be 13, and you can add, yes, 20, that 25 and 13, you will get the final answer. If you find, then 38 upon 51, okay, this. And similarly cubical dice twice, yes, and then find getting and probability of 5, or 5 is 1, yes, 1 is 5, yes, 5 if you suppose A, then 1A, and remaining how many? 5 remaining, because 6, yes, number are there in a dice, then 5 you suppose the B or A complement you suppose, and then you can draw the tree diagram. Clear? And from the numbered card from 7 to 27 you can find easily, yes, what are the total possible? 6 up to 1 to 6 not given, 6 you can subtract from the 27, you can get, yes, 21, I think, yes, 21 total. And then prime number, you know, itself divide or by 1, yes, prime number and even number also, you know, yes, difference is 2, yes, caught by the 2, even number, yeah, divided by 2, and you will get the final answer. If you solve it, then 16 upon 21 you get. Clear? Okay, thanks to all dear students for watching today's class, and tomorrow we will start the new topic. Clear? Thank you to all.